So for social media, for Facebook, Instagram, it's key importance to create engagement. And one of the key points is that it's really not so important if you have a lot of fans. It's not so important if you put a lot of posts. What's really the key is high quality posts. The best is Wednesday evening, Wednesday afternoon, and Sunday evening or Sunday afternoon, and try to really engage your people, try to give some fun, try to give them something interesting. The highest is when they share you, if they like you, if they comment you. But the sharing is really important. But even if you have really good creative movie or picture, it's important to target it well, support it by promotion, and use remarketing.